Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to show you something I'd found on the silver forum. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in picking up some of these coins. I believe there are around 10 coins left, so there are still some available on the silver forum if you'd like to pick up some of these. Now these are Mexican Olympics 25 pesos, 0.720 silver. Now, I believe they are a type of commemorative coin and they were released for the 1968 Olympics. And each coin weighs 22.5 grams and they each contain 0.52 ounces of silver. So essentially they weigh just under half an ounce each, which is really nice because it makes them fractional silver, which is always nice to have some of it in the stack, especially when you can pick it up for a nice price. Now, they have literally just arrived today. Just finished unpackaging them. They arrived really securely. And like I said, each one of these weighs half an ounce of silver. So really nice to have a little bit of fractional silver in the stack in case the economy goes to pot and you need some bartering currency. Now, two of these are in the original mint packaging, which is really cool considering how old they are. They're from 1968, so it's nice to have some of them in this original mint packaging. I'm going to keep them nice and sealed like that. And like I said, there's two of them like that. So I'll put those to one side over there. And then let's show you a little bit closer these coins. They just look amazing. The main reason I got them was because they were a good price. They're very old coins, and also they're fractional silver, so it's nice to have a little bit of fractional silver in the stack. You can see there, got a nice design, the Olympics logo at the bottom, and if you flip it over, you've got the Mexican coat of arms, the same that's on the Libertads, 25 pesos. Just a really nice piece of silver. You can see it says down there 0.720 silver content. And what I like about them as well is they've got this, it says Liberty around the edge, which is really cool. It's just nice to have a coin that's got some lettering going on around the edges. Looks really nice when you stack them up together. When you have a look at the edges, it's just really cool. I really like silver coins that have the lettering around the edge. I think it really makes them pop. And it reminds me of the Type 1 Libertads. I've got a few of those in the stack, and they're quite a lot smaller and thicker, whereas these are more like your traditional 1 ounce silver coin. So they're a nice size. So yeah, let me know what you think. Just a random little pickup there. I saw them on the silver forum. Like I said, it was a nice price, interesting coin, fractional silver, and they cost me £13 a coin. So yeah, very pleased with that. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to check them out. I'm pretty sure there was 10 left, I think, when I last checked. Might be a few more, but they do seem to be selling quite quickly. So I wanted to get this video out there as quick as possible so you have a chance to pick a couple up if you're interested. So yeah, nice little pickup today. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I hope you have a nice day.